we guide you through how to set up a Wise account. First, go to Wise website or download the Wise app, then click on Sign Up to create your account. Enter your email address, choose whether you're opening a personal or business account, and provide your basic information. Next, verify your phone number and create a secure password. Wise will ask you to complete your profile by adding details like your full name, address, and date of birth. After that, verify your identity by uploading a valid ID and following the verification steps. Once your account is approved, you can add your bank details, choose your preferred currency, and start sending or receiving money. You can also set up your Wise card if it's available in your location. Make sure all your information is accurate to avoid delays.